Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. In this video, I want to show you how you can get paid to get gas. Very, very simple. If you just follow the instructions I'm going to give you in this video. Now, first and foremost, you see I got $18.51. I'm going to cash that out at the end of this video. But let me show you how simple it is. So, basically what it is, when you get the app, which is, in the description, and you actually use my code, you'll get a 15-cent extra bonus on each gallon. So, for instance, it's going to show you the gas stations that are in your area, the ones that are closest to you at the moment. Now, for me, these are gas stations that are closest to me. So if I go to this Shell gas station, I get 17 cents cash back on each gallon. All right, so that's already a lot of cash back right there, because you just think you get 10 gallons. That's a quick $1.70. If I go to this gas station, 13 cents off the gallon. They also have restaurants. If I go to Burger King, I get 10% off. If I go to this Exxon, I get 13 cents off. If I go to this Wendy's right here, I get 25-cent cash back. So you see here, there's opportunity for you here to make money. So, but like I said, if you use the code that I have in the description, you'll get a 15-cent extra bonus. So that means if you go to this Shell gas station, you get the 17 cent plus the 15 cent, you're at 32 cents cash back. And just think, if that's, if you get 10 gallons, that's $3.02. Right? I mean, $3.20 right there. So, I mean, it really does add up. And you think about it, if you have a car, you have to get gas anyways. You might as well go to a gas station that's going to give you cash back to do so. Don't stop getting gas for free. I will never in my life, get gas for free, because I know this app will really help me out on that. And I've made so much money with it, which I'm going to actually kind of show you when I cash out. Just using this app, getting gas. And, you have to get gas like every week, or, every, twice a week, whatever. Every time you need gas, pull up this app, find the gas station that's going to give you the best value for your money and get cash back. It's very, very simple. So let me show you what I've made in over time using this app. I'm going to go to my history right here. Now, right now, it's the beginning of April. So I only made $3.64. I got that at Popeyes because I got 25% cash back from my ticket. So you see here, but the month of March, I made $30.84. Just going to different gas stations, getting gas, just, simple stuff. In February, I made $47.13. Again, just getting gas. Very, very simple. I didn't do anything special. I was just getting gas. In January, I made $37.59. So that's just the last 3 months. I mean, I'm making a good amount of money with this, and it's very easy. All you're doing is going to gas stations or going to restaurants that are going to offer you cash back. Very, very simple. Not difficult at all. Anybody can do this. I just, tell you guys, just download the app, use my code so you can get an extra 15 cents off each gallon, and just, really let your money stack up. But like I said, every time you get gas, it's a must that you use this app so you can make money doing things you have to do anyway. That's the best part about life, when you can find things that you have to do and you get paid to do it. I mean, it just makes things so much easier. So, now I'm going to show you my cash out on this app. All you need is $1 to cash out. It's not even a high, cash out. All you need is a quick $1, and you can get any one of these gift cards that you can choose from. All you need, like I said, is $1. You can do PayPal. You can get a check sent to your house, a minimum of $1. Basically, just go to one gas station, get gas there, get the cash back. You probably made $1 right there. You can cash it out. Very, very simple. So I'm gonna do PayPal. You see there, I got $18.51. They're going to let me get cash out the whole thing. There's no fee involved. Straightforward. It's going to take probably a few days, maybe like a day or two is the longest it's ever taken, but usually I get it the next day. And all you do here is go down to continue, make sure everything is right. Click on continue. And you just want to make sure it's going to ask you, this account must be verified. My PayPal account is verified, so I'm going to submit it. And bam, right there. 12 to 24 hours, I'll get my money in my PayPal account. So it's just that simple. And now my balance is at 0. So next time I get gas, I'm gonna use this app and let my money pile up again. You know what I'm saying? So the thing is, when you're using this app, there's money in it. Just let it pile up, or you can cash out $1, doesn't matter. But every time you get gas, you're going to be eligible to cash out, because all you need is $1. It's free money for things you have to do anyway. So like I said, download this app. The link is in the description. Use my code so you can get an extra bonus, an extra 15 cents off, what they're already offering you from that gas station. All right, so it's money in it. Just let it pile up. Stick with the process, keep grinding, keep using these free ways to make money, and you will be surprised at how much money you have in your bank account because you're putting in the work, you're doing what I'm telling you, and you're building a financial income from home completely free. All right, so get started today with the link in the description with my code. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe so you can be notified when I make new videos all the time, showing you guys free ways to make money with free websites, free apps, all that good stuff. And this is another app. All right, so like I said, get started today. All the information you need is in the description. And as always, remember, every penny counts.